Hey everybody, this is Andrew at Universal Billiards, and I'm here to tell you about one of our favorite tables right now, which is the Lawther by American Heritage. This is an 8-foot pool table in a briar smoke finish that includes solid wood construction on both the cabinet and the legs, as well as leather pockets, decorative diamond sights. And like all the pool tables that we carry, it also includes 100% gum rubber cushions, as well as 3-piece 1-inch slate. When you purchase a pool table at Universal Billiards, you'll also receive one of our bronze play kits. If you need more accessories, you can easily upgrade your play kit with one of our other packages. You'll also get to choose the color cloth your pool table comes with. We've got a large selection of colors and styles of cloth to choose from. If you're interested in seeing the Lawther in person, you can come out to either one of our showrooms in Plano or Farmers Branch, or you can check us out online at universalbilliards.com.